So once again, I'm taking Metro train line 4, and the good news is on this section of track, I believe they've either been recently cleaned or refurbished, so you can clearly see the blocks of concrete on which the rubber-tyred trains run on. They're normally covered in black dirt, so I didn't even realize they were made from this kind of material. So I guess the stones in them provide more traction for the train. Yeah, these trains are very quiet and comfortable because they run on rubber tires, like the one you can see down there.